If you're trying to use Microsoft Copilot and you're getting this error, it's not you, it's me. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this error is normally accompanied by this message: something went wrong. I probably just need time to refresh. However, if you have tried to refresh severally but nothing works, then it's time to troubleshoot. To troubleshoot Microsoft 365, you need to open your browser and go to the ellipses here. From these three lines, go to settings. So for this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome. Then from here, go to privacy and security option. Under this, look for this delete browsing data. Now select the period you want to select to delete the data. You can delete up to all time if you choose this. Now once you have selected the time, make sure that the below options are checked and then confirm by clicking on delete, and as you can see, the data has been deleted for the period above. Once you are done, now you'll need to restart your computer or laptop and then make sure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app, as this might be causing the problem. Then go ahead, log in with your correct credentials, and at this time round, now everything should be working without any issue. However, should you still find a challenge at this point, then most likely Microsoft 365 Copilot might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes. Now, if you try to sign in, now you should be able to sign into your account without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.